An intrusion detection system, IDS, is a security technology that monitors network traffic or system activity for signs of unauthorized or malicious activity. The main goal of an IDS is to detect potential security breaches, such as attempted or successful unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, or destruction of data. There are two main types of IDS. Network-based IDS, NIDS. This type of IDS monitors network traffic and analyzes it for signs of suspicious or malicious activity. It can detect attacks on multiple systems at once and is placed at key points in the network to monitor all traffic passing through. Host-based IDS, HIDS. This type of IDS is installed on individual hosts or systems and monitors the activity of the system, including file changes, system logs, and other events that may indicate an intrusion. Both NIDS and HIDs can use either signature-based or anomaly-based detection methods to identify potential security breaches. Signature-based detection compares current network or system activity against known attack patterns or signatures, while anomaly-based detection uses statistical analysis and machine learning to identify abnormal behavior that may indicate an attack. When an IDS detects suspicious or malicious activity, it generates an alert that can be sent to a security administrator for further investigation and response. The security administrator may take appropriate actions, such as blocking the source IP address, isolating the affected system, or resetting user accounts. Overall, an IDS is an important component of a comprehensive security strategy and helps organizations detect and respond to security breaches in a timely and effective manner.